I do want to share with you guys the bins that I have prepared for the whole school year, and I'm debating on whether or not I want to continue with like the letter of the week, number of the week, and maybe even include like color of the week and shape of the week right here. So far, I do have our Playing Preschool Year 2 things here. We are going to be doing Write Shop A, so this is all the stuff that goes with that. This is our math bin, and this one is our Logic of English bin. So right now, our letter of the week bin is empty, but if you guys saw any of my videos last year, you guys saw that this was pretty much there throughout like the whole year. Every time we pulled out a letter, we went ahead and introduced this little book as well. And inside our little bin, I did have 3 little bins to kind of like organize the smaller parts. I don't think I'm going to be using this method this year because I did get my hands on something cool. So I'll definitely show that to you guys. But just in case you guys are interested, our bins always start off like this. This year, we do plan on introducing a number of the day, a number of the week. And with the same thing, I do have like the little clear things in here. We're either going to be using the popsicle sticks, the mini popsicle sticks, or even the rocks as counters. So this is something that's just going to stay in here. And then I did also put in here like all these little printables that I've had since like our son started. This is going to be part of our actual like I think it's what our pocket chart that we're going to be like inserting this in. And then I do also have our little number book in here that we're just going to be using whenever we have like a number of the day. It's just part of our activities, you know. Our daughter is going to be doing Playing Preschool Year 2 this year, so I decided to get like her bin ready of like the most common things that we're going to be using throughout the year. I do have one of these blanks. I do plan on getting other little things, but she's pretty much going to have like her little tape, her glue, her crayons. I did get her like new scissors and markers and her own little glue. I do also have like everything pink. That way it can just be like pink and purple, her own cute little thing, our dies. And then she is going to be doing like dot activities depending on like the letter of the week, number of the week. So I do have this for her just ready to go. And then we are going to be doing Write Shop this year. This is completely new to us, and because it's new to us, I did go ahead and kind of like start making these bins after seeing how many different things we're going to need. I did go to like the dollar store and get like a cute little pocket chart, so I'll definitely see if this ends up fitting the things that we're gonna need it for. He has we got so many scissors, so in every bin you're gonna see scissors and glue. So he has the scissors and glue, as well as the cute little flashcards. He's gonna need this for one of the activities, so I just like have it ready to go. And then Write Shop does require you to have like a few little worksheets, so I did just put everything in here just to make it easy to go, and you already know everything's like in order. So I have that. And then I did also get like a few things ready depending on like the activities that we're going to be needing. I ended up tracing certain shapes, and I also made like little notes on what lesson it's going to be used for, just so I know like when to pull it out. He is going to be getting new markers and colored pencils for this case, and I believe we might end up using like either our whiteboard or something else, but just in case, I did get like a cute little mini notepad. And then this is for the second semester, but I just have it prepped ready to go. That way I can save myself some time in like planning for the future. Next is going to be our math bin. Last year I had this like on a little cart, but it kind of got destroyed every time our little one decided to like mess around with it. These we got a while ago, but they're pretty much like the Minecraft playing cards. If you have used Math with Confidence, you know that she likes to use playing cards. So I did go ahead and put this in here just for him. This is actually made by one of my homeschool mom friends on here, and it's definitely something I would recommend, especially when you're learning your skip counting. It has like little activities and games that you can do just for practice. He is going to need 2 of these, but I just have 1 in here for now, and he has like his little dice. I do have, I believe, like I think it said 125 different counting things, so I decided to use like our little rocks. I also have like our money. I need to put our actual like dollars in here, so I'll get that eventually. This is stuff from kindergarten, but just in case I could reuse anything, I'm gonna try to reuse it. This is all the other like little counting cubes, and I do have like our little wooden blocks in here, and then we're also going to be needing a little ruler in here. So this is all like our first grade stuff. I still have to fill it with a few other things, but this is like everything I have so far. And then the last bin that I have is our Logic of English bin. This one, we had it on our shelf, but I feel like it's just going to be easier to kind of like keep it in a bin. So we do have our scissors and our glue, as well as like different markers, highlighters, erasers. We also have like all the little extra pieces that come with it. I did end up like getting some magnetic ones, so so I might end up using those instead of this, just because this is like a disaster when it gets everywhere. And then I did go ahead and just put, like, I labeled everything foundations A, but just in case we need them for reassurance, they're gonna live in here. This is where we're gonna have like our little chips as well as our dice, and we're just gonna keep some of the little games. I did just keep everything from last year in here, and then who knows if we're gonna end up needing some of these. I think this is like from B, and oh, actually we're gonna be needing these, so those are actually down at the bottom. And then I do have like some extra cards in here, so this is kind of like the main bin that we're gonna be storing everything in.